30.
Little hot or very hot? You soft for landing? Yeah. No, you're gonna just a little tiny, little bit of power. Look at the Cessna.
Cherokee 138 Delta Charlie, continue on the left hand. I'll show you better.
You want to raise down when you pull up base 138. Left rudder, you want to land sideways. The father just hold it right there.
Chopper 12, west of runway 19.
That's soft for landing. West of 19. Thanks, Coach.
November 3 Golf Alpha, your destination is at Echo?
No, ma'am, we're going to Atlantic.
November 3 Golf Alpha, turn right on the Alpha taxiway and then contact ground 121.6. There'll be a helicopter landing on the Bravo taxiway, Jason Shore landing.
Alpha 8 Alpha, thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you for your cooperation.
I'll make a right turn here. Very nice. And no checklist until clear the runway, right?
K17, there'll be a cardinal departure prior to your touch and go.
Yeah, and here you gotta get clear of the runway. That's one departure for it. They want you doing it here. They want you clear. Off the arches.
Cherokee 138 Delta Charlie, you're following us fast and north of the expressway on front.
I'm looking for the traffic. 138. That's going to the Bravo taxiway. I want to do your checklist. Okay. I'm sorry about that here though. Alright, Henry Public Ground, Bravo Cougar 723 Golf Alpha, off the active, like to taxi to Atlantic.
723 Golf Alpha, Republic Ground, Chopper 12 landing Bravo, right up taxi south on Bravo, follow helicopter.
We got the helicopter south on Bravo, 3 Golf Alpha. Okay, very nice. How was that? Pretty good. Felt alright. We got it. We'll go off a couple more times and
SQ1 proceed.
Should be fine.
Cross runway 32. Runway 19 at Bravo.
MEI.
SQ1 left on golf. Cross 32. Hold short of 19 at Bravo 3.
You're flying anyway.
Hold straight of 19.
Last one go from that seat. Right. You're paid.
3, sorry.
Would be a change, right? Yeah.
You just repeated what I said. That was my mistake. I knew what you meant in my head.
Public Ground, Cessna 109 uniform. I'm at Echo. I'd like to taxi to Atlantic for...
So on the landing from this side, I found that I had to kind of, like I was attending to look that way instead of that way. And
That's why you're a little crooked.
Yeah, it's your body straight ahead.
Right. You always want to teach people that it's not the airplane, it's you.
Right.
You got to be straight. Because you're sitting straight. And the center, when you put the taxiway line between your legs, right now it's between my legs.
Right.
How off is it going to be? 5 inches? 4 inches? So you're right on the money.